Hey folks, welcome back to the shop. Today we're looking at the HM Magnets 24-inch magnetic tool holder. I got sent this one for review purposes. So we're going to step it out and take a look. Comes in double packed. Not a lot of movement. I'll tell you right offhand, it's pretty hefty feeling, so should be a quality machine here. Comes with mounting hardware, and there's your toolbar right here. Just to let you know, sometimes the screws get lost in the yellow box, but these were strategically mounted with the magnet, I guess. So there you go. So yeah, that's a pretty beefy feeling little magnet there. As you can see, it's got little segmented magnets. Try out a few just for magnetic purposes. Very strong. And just some odds and ends magnet stuff. Pretty tight. Holds on there pretty good. Even the little cheapy metal chainsaw wrench has got pretty good grip on it. So yeah, there you go. Let's hang it up and see what it looks like. All right, we picked out our suitable spot to install it. We're going to drive a screw. Got my little Stabila Pro magnet. Just going to set her level there. Drive another screw. Level again. The magnet's messing up my screw. There we go. There we go. 2 screws. You got instant tool access wherever you like it. See if I got something heavier we can test down there. Hammers in here one time, but here's some big shears. Those kind of hold because they're half aluminum. There you go. HM Magnets 24-inch magnetic tool holder. Thanks for watching.